Hello to everyone. This is a question. The question is what is the soil? The non-scientist opinions. So, is a preliminary generic survey on the knowledge of soil and humus with two different samples. The first is with 21 students of scientific high school that answer as a team, and the second sample is 35 students that from Alberghiero School for hotel students, and they answer with single answers. So 8 answer for them. What is soil? What is soil? They ask. They answer more than 57% with ground. Ground is terreno. It's a surface layer in the earth crust with its various characteristics which make it more or less suitable for human use. So ground is the ground we tread on, they said. So ground is something that they put their food. Is also for the students from a collective answer, they say the surface on which you walk. So this is an concept of soil that means that the man is the main subject of the world, and the soil is is just a context. So for the other students, of the students, there are also other answers. They recognize also ecosystem component for 41%. The second, where is soil? Where is soil? It was a check, multiple choice, and they ask mainly on the surface at varying depths determined by where the rocky substrate develops, the collective answer. But in the hotel, for the hotel students, they have really not really an idea exactly of where is soil, which deep it reach. The third question, what do you associate with the word soil? Collective answer, the association was soil and ground. It's more interesting what happened with the students from hotel students. They have also 57% with the same association, so ground and soil, but also other they give some other name to this association. So they write petal, life and beautiful nature, our soil, water, air from the earth. And 6% of them, they have really no idea what is an association with word soil. The third question, what is the soil made of? Collective answer is soil, just like a synonymous, no? And soil is terra. What is made of for the students from Hotel Students Institute? They recognize also 40% ecosystem component for this question. The fifth question, what is the use of the soil? The use of the soil, they answer, allow the growth of plants for 41% and support for walking 44%. And then the other, they don't recognize all. So the soil is just for having a support and for growth plants. And we have to think about that. They don't recognize perhaps that there is a mineral reserve or a reserve of carbon dioxide, because this means that they don't give a value or ecological value or economic value of soil. And this is to think about. What is humus? The sixth question. Organic substance resulting from the decomposition of plant and animal remains. I given them multiple choice. So this, but for the students of the hotel institute, they also recognize as humus the compost from waste sorting. So also this is not clear for them, humus for forest or not. The seventh question is humus is used for. Collective answer is organic matter reserve. This is also choice, multiple choice question. And also they recognize to humus that is used for water reserve for aquifer or collect all the leaves that are completely wrong. So they have no really completely any a good idea of what is useful humus for. The last question is, where is humus found? Collective answer is in the upper level of the soil, so it's fine. For the students of Hotel Institute, they have no really a good idea where is humus found, because they check also the other wrong answer. So the knowledge on soil and humus is superficial, what I can say. They started to approach to soil and humus in the primary school, the third class, and then in the secondary school, and then again the secondary high school, which I was submitting these questions. So what I can say that is the formulation of the questionnaire, it must be more accurate, because it's not the synonymous just to say terra and the soil is not a good information for me. And the final remarks is that it is necessary to deepen this survey on a larger sample, understand how the soil topic is carried out by science professor, and understand the correlation between knowledge, competencies, skills learned, and type of teaching. Thank you for your attention.